Hi guys, happy midweek. This is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, and for this vlog, kung naaalala nyo yung recommended less than 10 units ko sa Zadia Tower 3 bago magkaroon ng Zadia Tower 4, which is magkakaroon ng markup of about 500,000 to 1 million after only 1 to 2 hours since we uploaded that video. All of my recommendations there, no, nag-sold out agad. Kaya naman honoring those investors, no, na talagang pinractice at in-embrace ang urgency para makalock in dito sa project na to. And para sa mga hahabol guys, I am proud to share, no, happy to share na meron tayong mga na-reopen but still, no, less than 10 units pa din. But itong tatlo naman na i-share ko, ito rin yung meron ding magagandang pwesto as of the moment. So bakit ako magkakaroon ng parang part 2 when it comes to investing in Zadia? As you all know, I myself is also an investor in this project. Hindi lang po akong nasa business but my co-realtors, yung broker ko, dito rin po nag-invest. Kaya napakataas ng confidence ko when it comes to this project because still, ito pa rin yung pinaka-accessible and yet cheapest na condo project dito sa area na nasa mid to high segment. And of course, no, it's always location, location, location. Kaya laging ko feature kung saan to accessible. Number 1, school, University of Santo Tomas, highway going to Eton City exit, SLEX to Skyway, Calax, of course, hospital, the Medical City South Luzon, and the hotels such as Paseo Premier Hotel and Vivere Hotel. Imagine guys, catch nyo na yung major locators para masabi nyong good investment at maganda yung location ng property nyo. So if you want na makahabol pa ulit, no, again, this would be our second to the last wave. Last wave, bago mag-mark up, watch out for this recommended 3 units dito sa Zadia. So ang ating first recommendation would be at 15th floor unit 21. Fina-flash namin sa screen yung top view ng building so you will be having an idea kung nasan yung pwesto niya. Again, that is in unit 21, 15th floor. 18th floor lang kasi, no, yung pinaka mataas na floor dito sa Tower 3. So yung mga nire-recommend ko ngayon, lahat facing amenities na lang kasi yung available. Pero I am targeting you guys, no, to focus on higher floors as of the moment. Kasi yan yung may magagandang pwesto na kahit sumilip kayo sa baba, open space pa din yung nakikita nyo. Katulad nitong Unit 21, kita nyo yung katapat niya, no? Although nasa mataas na part kayo, pero kung gusto nyo tumambay doon, sumilip sa baba, open space pa rin yung makikita nyo. For the pricing, kasama na yung VAT, miscellaneous fees or other charges, the total contract price is 4,898,894.06. So for 33 months, ang inyong magiging monthly down payment would just be 20,661.49 pesos. Again, no spot payment, 33 months na 20,000 pesos lang at 0% interest. After 33 months, yung balanse na maiiwan, which is at 4.1 million kasama yung miscellaneous or other charges, you can loan it through bank or yung ating laging sikreto, no, na utilize the 33 months down payment na 0% interest na on top of your fixed low monthly down payment na around 20,000 pesos, you can pay anytime and any amount you can para yung sobra doon nababawa sa balanse mo after 33 months. Or baka nga, pwede kong mag-ipon, no, sa iyong sariling savings bank account, no, at mag-balloon payment ka sa last down payment mo. At yung balanse na maiiwan sa dulo, yung 3.9 million at yung 215,000 na kapag inano mo, no, tinotal mo is at 4.2 million, you can loan it through bank. Again, yung strategy na lagi kong sinasabi, i-utilize nyo yung 33 months 0% interest na down payment kasi wala kang babayaran ng interest dyan. So on top of your fixed monthly down payment na 20,600 per month, pwede kang mag-advance payment anytime and any amount you can. Yan lagi yung strategy or secret na lagi kong sinasabi. Para sa dulo, after your 33 months down payment, baka nga hindi ka na mag-loan sa bank kasi kaka-advance mo ng kaka-advance, konti na lang yung natitira, tapos maka-cash out mo na yung magiging balanse mo. Or baka nga, pwede kang mag-ipon lang. Kung ayaw mo mag-advance payment from time to time, ipunin mo ng sarili mo and then mag-balloon payment ka sa dulo. You didn't just buy this property, you also bought the 33-month time. You also bought the time, guys, na 0% interest. Kaya yan yung maganda sa pre-selling period. Our second unit recommendation would be 17th floor unit 30, pangalawa sa pinakamataas na floor. So as you can see on this top view no na mapa natin, kung kanina nasa kabilang side unit 21, ito naman nasa kabilang side which is unit 30. But for me still maganda pa rin ito kasi ano namang advantage nito? If makikita nyo yung katapatan niya na building which is yun na yung tower 5 no, malayo na talaga yung building sa kanya. So yun naman yung edge nitong unit na ito. Ang total contract price nito would be 4,954,247.97 pesos. 33 months to pay still at 20,896.87 pesos per monthly down payment at 0% interest. Yung maiiwan na balanse na pwede mong bawasan through advance payment or balloon payment na katulad ng diniscuss ko sa unang unit, which ang total is 4.2 million, pwede mo ring i-loan sa bangko. So lahat po ito na nire-recommend ko sa inyo, no, studio units po lahat yan. So again, lahat ng nire-recommend ko sa inyo are all studio units. 24.9 square meters ang floor area. Wala na po tayong combined units kasi as you can see on our update, no, almost finish na po yung pag-top off or yung pinaka-foundations ng building. So hindi na siya pwedeng ipag-combine or butasin. So again, for our second unit recommendation, that would be at 17th floor unit 30. My third recommendation, which is my personal favorite, would be at 18th floor, Unit 21. Ano naman yung maganda dito? You are located at the highest floor of the building. So the higher the floor kasi, mas premium kasi when it comes to condominium project, no? Again, that is in Unit 21. Katulad ng first recommendation natin kanina, pag sumilip ka sa ilalim, open space po yan. So ang total contract price would be 4,993,249.82 centavos. So ang ating magiging monthly payment, since dahil technically penthouse na siya, nadagdagan lang siya ng konti. Ang magiging monthly down payment natin for 33 months, which is yung first payment natin is considered as reservation fee na. Hindi ko kasi na-discuss no, sa first two recommendation natin. It's at 21,062 pesos 0.72 centavos. Again, yung first payment natin, which is considered technically as our reservation fee, yun na din yung first monthly down payment natin. Kaya, yung reservation natin, kaparehas lang ng magiging monthly down payment natin for 33 months. Again, 21,062 pesos and 72 centavos for 33 months. After 33 months, yung maiiwan na balance na around 4.2 million, you can loan it through bank or pwede nyong pababain by paying on top of your fixed low monthly down payment in advance, no? Anytime and any amount you can. Or mag-balloon payment po sa dulo. So I hope nagustuhan nyo rin yung 3 recommendation ko for our second wave dito kay Zadia. So ano ba yung lagi kong sinasabi? Kasi Jaire, lagi mong sinasabi, bumili ka ng property for rental. Yes, alam naman namin nakikita kami. Pero kung pupunta tayo sa technical side, no, kapag kasi nag-i-invest ka ng condo, lalo na hindi mo naman to titirhan or for end use, may dalawang type of investor kasi. It's either you are a keeper or a flipper. So if you are a keeper, meaning ikikip mo yung property mo, hindi mo siya ibebenta, wala kang planong ibenta to, no? Sa future, mas maganda na parentahan mo siya. So marami namang types of rental, no? Pwedeng yung monthly or papasok tayo sa long-term lease. Kung mas gusto nyo na hindi yearly, no, katulad ng mga expats para mas maganda yung ating pricing, gawin yung per month. Huwag nyo gawing every 6 months or 12 months para medyo mas mababago nyo yung pricing, mas matataasan nyo yung pricing, o kaya pwede monthly dormitel sa mga students. Imbis na gawin yung per room per month, gawin yung per bed. Pwede yun, or per head. So, ibig sabihin nun, per bed, maglalagay ka ng 2 double deck, so 4 na head na agad yon. So gagawin mong per bed para mas malaki yung magiging monthly mo. O kaya, gawin mo ring per sem or per quarter. Marami tayong pwedeng strategy na gawin para medyo laruin, no, yung rental rate. Pangalawa naman, Airbnb. Yan yung pinaka-kumikita ang ngayon, lalo na yung location ni Zadia, katabi siya ng mga hotel. So ganun naman lagi. Kapag gusto na mas mura sa hotel, but you are still experiencing the amenities na binibigay sa'yo ng hotel, well, Airbnb is perfect, lalo na itong si Zadia. Ang maganda lang sa project na to, hindi ka na talaga mamamroblema sa potential rental market kasi malapit siya sa lahat. Second one ay tinatawag na flipper. Marami na rin akong clients na ganito. Yung plano is bibili sa pre-selling 33 months to pay na down payment. For example, no, nabili niya yung property at 4.5 million. hihintayin niya yung ilang years kapag pumalo na ng 5.5 to 6 million, i-flip niya to. Ibig sabihin, hinihintay niya lang mag-mature yung property or yung tumaas yung market value. Pero ma-recommend mo ba, Jai, na during the down payment stage, i-flip ko agad? Actually, hindi talaga. Kasi kailan talaga pumapalo yung presyo kapag nasa time na tayo of turnover. Or, tina-turnover na yung mga units sa mga nakabili. Doon talaga ito pumapalo yung presyo. Pero hindi pa masyadong hinog, no? Or hindi pa masyadong mature when you will turn over it actually during the course of down payment. Medyo hindi mo paramdam, no? Yung gap ng tinaas ng presyo from the time na nilock in mo yung price up to the time na kung magkano siya ngayon yung market value niya. So, medyo maghintay tayo ng ilang years. Maganda nga na parang kaysa pinapark nyo lang yung pera nyo sa bangko, is meron namang opportunity na ganito na low monthly down payment. You don't need to break your bank or to pay a large amount of money para maramdaman mo na tumataas yung value ng pera mo. So, I hope guys, no, medyo nakatulong ako, no, when it comes to type of investors, lalo na if ang intention nyo naman is pataasin yung value ng property nyo, hindi nyo tirhan. So, ito po yung mga ways na ginagawa ng iba na ganun din naman po yung direction ko. So, if you are interested, I know mabilis na namang maubos ito, please feel free to contact me through my Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage, or Philippine number. That's +63927 185 1590. Again, +63927 185 1590 for my Facebook page. That's The Property Geek. Personal Facebook account, Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. You can directly message me there. And nandito kami sa Hong Kong ngayon, no? As we upload or live stream this video. Kaya yung mga nasa Hong Kong dito ngayon, baka kayo yung isa, no? Sa maging neighbor ko at future investor ko dito kay Zadia. Kaya habol na po tayo bago mag-price appreciate yung value. Pero imagine, no? Nilock in nyo yung price tapos the next month or after 2 months, may markup na 500,000 to 1 million. Panalong-panalo na po kayo doon. So, aabangan ko kayo ha, future neighbors. And we are still contributing twice a month through Manila Bulletin's Property Living section. Maraming salamat lalo na, no, sa mga clients ko. Maraming nagchat-chat sa akin from United States of America, lalo na dyan sa California. Ang daming Filipinos na nagchat-chat sa akin. And hopefully, baka matuloy ako this year na bumisita dyan sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys. This is Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, inviting you to come home to the Philippines and come home to the beautiful city of Santa Rosa, Laguna.